Hello, everyone. Have you ever thought, I wish I could just flip a switch in my brain to stop procrastinating? Or how amazing would it be if I could effortlessly adopt new positive habits? Well, you can, in a way. Today, we'll explore mind hacking, what it is, how it works, and how you can use it in your life. Our objectives are: understand the basic concept of mind hacking, learn key techniques and principles of mind hacking, discover practical ways to implement mind hacking daily. Let's start with the question, what is mind hacking? Mind hacking involves reprogramming your brain to optimize thoughts, behaviors, and habits. Think of your brain as a supercomputer. Mind hacking upgrades its software to run more efficiently. Analogy: picture your brain as a cluttered desk. Mind hacking organizes the desk, removes unnecessary clutter, and places everything correctly so you can work more effectively. Let's move on to neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. Your brain constantly changes and adapts, no matter your age. Michael Merzenich, a neuroscientist, showed that the brain remains plastic even in old age. His research proved that proper training could help people regain lost cognitive functions and enhance mental sharpness. This discovery opened new possibilities for personal development. Techniques of mind hacking: meditation and mindfulness. Meditation and mindfulness help you control your thoughts and emotions. These practices enable you to focus and stay calm under pressure. Steve Jobs practiced mindfulness and credited it with boosting his creativity and decision-making skills. Incorporating mindfulness into his daily routine helped him think clearly and innovate effectively. Habit formation. Mind hacking involves creating and reinforcing positive habits and breaking negative ones. Techniques like habit stacking, linking new habits to existing ones, and positive reinforcement help in this process. Analogy: think of habit formation as building a strong wall. Each positive habit is a brick. Over time, these bricks create a solid structure that supports your goals and well-being. Cognitive behavioral techniques. These techniques help you identify and change negative thought patterns and behaviors. Challenging irrational beliefs and replacing them with positive ones can improve mental health and performance. Story: cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, treats mental health issues like anxiety and depression. Patients undergoing CBT often report significant improvements in their quality of life. For example, a student struggling with exam anxiety might use CBT techniques to reframe their negative thoughts. "I'm going to fail" becomes "I've prepared well, and I can do this." Closing thoughts. Mind hacking allows us to control our mental processes and improve our lives. Understanding and applying neuroplasticity, meditation, habit formation, and cognitive behavioral techniques can rewire our brains for success. Mind hacking is a continuous journey. Dedication can lead to remarkable results. Assignment. This week, incorporate a simple mindfulness practice into your daily routine. Spend 5 minutes each day focusing on your breath and observing your thoughts without judgment. Note any changes in your focus, stress levels, or overall mood. Write down your reflections. Recommended reading. Read Atomic Habits by James Clear for further insights.